In this video, I'm going to share with you a $4 online business that could make you rich. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you a $4 online business that you can start today. All right after you watch this video, you can start earning today. So the opportunity that I'm talking about is instant recall. Now, if you're not familiar with what instant recall is, this is a new app that will actually pay people for becoming anonymous location data sellers. You might be thinking, what the hell did you just say? I know, it's all good, but you'll be able to get all of the details about instant recall when you watch the presentation video in the description of this video. Trust me, this is super easy. So basically, you actually get paid for every person that you refer to instant recall that decides to become a data seller. So to actually earn money from other people that you refer to instant recall, you have to be a data seller yourself. But the good news is it only costs you $3.99 to become a data seller. That's it. $4. Right? $4 will allow you the ability to earn unlimited monthly income just by referring people to the app. So I've been getting a lot of signups lately, but recently I got a guy who just signed up for instant recall, and he's emailed me. He asked me a question. He was like, yo, how much money will I make every month if I bring in 80 people? How much money would that be making me, right? So I was thinking about it, and I was like, dude, if you bring in 80 people, the earning potential is crazy just off of 80 people. Actually, your earning potential is crazy even just by bringing in 10 people. So instead of me trying to break down all of the numbers, somebody else already did it for us. So watch this.
Well, here's what I've been telling people, and it's just been exploding. I tell people like, hey, over the next 90, 30, 60, 90 days, what if I could show you a good, genuine way to make over $5,000 a month? And all you have to do is download an app and get other people to download the app. So if you want to make over $5,000 a month, you just find 10 people who download the app, and every person you get to download, tell them to do the same. Just say, hey, go find 10 people to download this app, right? And you can even show them this video, and it's going to do all the explaining for you. So you can send people this video, say, hey, watch this video. Afterwards, trust me, you'll download my app. 10, getting 10, getting 10, getting 10. As you can see, that's over $5,600 a month, right? The extra 60,000 plus coming to your household, that should change a lot, right? I think, now let's get a little crazy. What if everyone went out and got 25 people to download this app? Remember, you get paid monthly for keeping this app. That's over $203,000 a month just for everyone getting 25, right? So if you don't believe those numbers, go down to 10, right? So the power of 10, but I'm going for the gusto. And here's what I love. At 50, if everyone just went out and got 50 people to download this app, that's over $3.1 million. And I'm telling you, when you see this, I know a lot of you guys is like, this can't be real. One thing I'm excited about is I have a personal relationship with the gentleman who has a long-term relationship with the founders. And he says, Frank, these guys are gold. They are grandfathers, fathers. They are Christian guys. These are guys who are legitimate. He says they're not going to scam anyone. So I can stand behind the guy I know. He's standing behind those guys. So I'm excited about this. Now, this could be the biggest no-brainer in the history of mankind. I think this is the biggest no-brainer. If you love doing what you're doing, keep doing it. This is not to distract you from that, but I think it's so easy. Just do the simple 10 plan. Give away a free app. It's no cost now or ever to 10 people, and just tell everybody to do that, and you're over $5,600 each month.
Now, I know you just saw that, right? I know you've seen the crazy earning potential of this opportunity. You should be hyped. You should be excited. You should be like, damn, this is what I'm talking about. How do I get started? How the hell do I get started? Right? Well, all you got to do is click the first link in the description of this video. Watch the video that you're going to see on that page. It's only 4 minutes long. Watch the video right? And then follow the steps underneath that video. It's that simple. You could be up and running in 10 minutes. So look, the key to being successful with this opportunity is to actually take action and share this opportunity with other people. The more people you refer, the more money you make. It's that simple. And think about this, for $4 a month, you can have your own profitable online business. So there you have it, a $4 online business that you can start right now. So get to it.